History is full of heroes who died in battle. This is not about them. This is about the people who died in the dumbest, most epic ways possible. One king died from laughing too hard. One man died from a nosebleed. And one guy died from a haircut. These are real deaths, real people. And by the end of this video, you'll wonder how humanity survived this long. 624 BC, Athens. A lawmaker named Draco is so strict, his laws punish even minor crimes with death. That's where we get the word draconian. So how does the strictest man in Athens die? At a theater, the crowd loves him so much, they throw their hats and cloaks at him. In celebration, so many clothes pile on top of him that he suffocates. Right there, in his seat, buried under his own fan mail. Attila the Hun, the man who terrified the Roman Empire, survived hundreds of battles, conquered half of Europe. In the year 453, Attila gets married, again, to a much younger woman named Ildiko. There's a huge feast, lots of wine. The next morning, his guards find him dead. No wound, no enemy, just a severe nosebleed that he choked on in his sleep. Sigurd the Mighty, a Viking earl, defeats his rival in battle and beheads him. As a trophy, he straps the severed head to his horse's saddle. While riding, his leg bumps against the dead man's protruding tooth. Just a small scratch. The scratch gets infected. Within days, the man who survived countless battles dies from a dead man's tooth. King Adolf Frederick of Sweden, known for one thing, loving dessert a little too much. On February 12th, 1771, he eats a massive feast: lobster, caviar, sauerkraut, smoked herring, champagne, and for dessert, 14 servings of his favorite semla pastries in one sitting. That night, his stomach gives out. Adolf Frederick, King of Sweden, is remembered as the king who literally ate himself to death. Isadora Duncan, a world-famous dancer, elegant, dramatic, always wearing long, flowing silk scarves. In 1927, she climbs into an open-top convertible car, scarf trailing behind her. She turns to her friends and says, "I am off to love, to life." Seconds later, the scarf catches in the rear wheel. She's thrown from the car instantly. The world's most graceful dancer dies from a fashion accessory. From a haircut, to a nosebleed, to a scarf. History proves one thing. No matter how powerful, famous, or feared you are, the universe always has a punchline waiting. Which death shocked you the most? Comment below. And subscribe, because next time, we're covering the deaths that are even weirder than these.